Typical horse road. Power station. I just rode by Övrebergs old mine. I really like this road so far at this area. Fantastic. Oh, this is Söderåsvägen. Yay! How fun is this? Plenty fun. Yay! What's happening here? Woohoo! Yay! 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 Ah! Woohoo! Looks like a racetrack. Ah! Wrong gear. Yay! Woohoo! Wow. Cool. You know what? TST Gävleborg has just delivered today. It got even better and better the farther south you get, from around Hofors and south. And surprisingly, or not really, it passes the area where my ancestors are from and where I have spent a lot of my youth and still hunt today on the hunting grounds. So I did a little detour from the trail, a very short one because it's very close. I'm really proud of that. The roads around this area actually is the best. Here we have a torp, or a cottage, This has belonged to my ancestors and relatives. I've been a lot here as a kid, working on these acres together with my grandfather. This is still belonging to relatives to me, but a little bit far away. Spent a lot of time into that cottage. It's totally original inside from when people actually lived in these small houses. They could be like 5 or 8 persons in these small houses. It's like first one room when you get in that was cold. You stored food and so. And then you have one room with an open fire pit and old furnitures that still is there. Really cool that this is actually aside the trail. It's very close to Österfärnebo. Every summer until I was about 15 years old, I was with my grandfather and worked on these acres. That's a lot of broms here. Large fly-like things that actually bite. So I think I have to throttle on. I just wanted to show you this. I would have liked to show you the inside because it's original from when people lived like this. Nothing has happened inside there for 100 years. So nice. Even their old plows that they used behind the horses or cattle is still here. I can have a sneak peek. I will take you to the next place. It's called Ursbo, that also have belonged to my ancestors and grandfather and so. Let's have a look at that, and then, yeah, let's see what's happening here. I will visit my sister later here because she lives in the area as well. Okay, so nice roads here. Best so far. Gävleborg delivers. A lot of nice tracks, fast but fun. Even this place, Ursbo, have belonged to my grandfather's side before. It's very close to Stätte Kvarn, an old mill. Österfärnebo. It's a very beautiful place. I know my aunt wanted me to buy this. Actually. But it's too far away where I live today. But someday, maybe. Can think about it. Now it's time for a coffee, I think, really soon. Should have had one before at the cottage. My ancestors have lived in this area for 400 years. Actually, both my mother's side and father's side. As well in Hälsingland, where this nice day started. So probably they have lived here for a lot longer than that, because they have not moved around from this area, what we could see. There is a rune stone inside this church that is very, very interesting. I wanted to show you that, but I'm not sure if I can because it's closed. I will see if it's open tomorrow because I will stay in the area, visit my sister and so. Cheers for this spot. Jämtlands Bärnsten. Jämtland, that's where I turned around at this trip. The furthest north I got. Off with the boots. Look at this spot. We are at Ön, south of Hedesunda. It's very close to the end of the TST Gävleborg. So nice. When I was a kid we used to go here and have a bonfire, a lägereld with the friends. Nowadays at all these spots where you had fun when you were a kid, there are van lifers and the roof tenters everywhere and hammockers. Things are changing. Times are changing. I think we are getting back to our favorite spots and others find them easy today. Both for good and bad. Yeah, this will be perfect. I just got in time to get cold beer from the cooler from the grocery store. I always look at the weather forecast on my app to see if I need to set up the top or not. And luckily I don't. I've only used it last night because it was supposed to be rain, but it never happened. However, it rained for like 1 hour in the morning when I stopped. It has been 29 degrees today, and it will be very warm today.